Yeah, I'm here to take a look at your AC.
Yeah. Grandma called you yesterday. What took you so long?
Hey, look, bud, you want me to look at your AC or not?
I don't think I like your attitude, young man.
Screw this. What tonnage is your AC?
Heck if I know.
Yeah, then can I talk to Grandma?
Okay, but you better start improving your attitude with Grandma because she don't take none of that crap.
Why do I always get stuck having to go through Tweedledum before talking to the real customer?
Young man, are you here to fix my AC?
Yeah, I guess. Whatever.
It's 85 degrees in here. The air is coming out of the vents, but it's not cooling.
Well, let me look at your unit. I'll fix you up. Okay, you need a whole new air conditioning system.
$6,000? What's wrong with my AC that it takes $6,000 to fix?
It's all very technical. You won't understand anyway.
Try me.
Well, to break it down into something you might understand, the compressor ain't compressing anymore. It's like that. It happens. It's old, too old. It just can't go on anymore.
Do you take me for a fool? I am going to call your boss. And you won't have a job after that.
See if I care. I'm only trying to do you a favor.